Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Party company, and we help clients with Google Ad solutions, including Google Ads, suspensions, management, disapprovals, advertiser identity verification, Google Shopping ads, Google Merchant Status suspension, Shopify, website, WordPress website development, conversion tracking, and a lot more features. So, if you want our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And yeah, we are one of the finest companies in the UAE, but serving clients globally. So, in case if you need our services, you can again hire us through the link in the description. Now, move on to the question I have, and the question is. Help scaling Google Ads for e-commerce clothing brands. So yeah, interesting question. Hi Ali, hello. So I run a women's sleepwear and loungewear clothing brand, and I'm running my own Google Ads. Cool. I've been running them for quite some time, and they are doing okay. But I feel like something isn't optimized right, as every time I try scaling up, my campaign flops. Here's my current setup: one Performance Max shopping campaign for pajamas, $60 a day. One Performance Max shopping campaign for rest of products, $50 a day. So current stats. Performance Max pajamas conversions 4 at conversion value $508. Cost per conversion is this, and your cost per conversion is conversion value plus cost per conversion, both are very high. Cost per conversion is high, and for the rest of products you are getting this. Both campaigns are set to maximize conversion value with no ROAS goal. Anytime I try scaling those daily budgets, things crash, no conversions even after letting it run for 1 2 weeks. I want to reach a 2.5 value conversion per cost. Google is constantly telling me I'm limited my budget. I have excluded products that have more sizes than a single product, sold out some of our best selling products. Why meta ads are on here also and don't perform well. I'm not quite sure whether optimization steps I take before scaling. Any advice is appreciated, and I can provide more info as needed. Additional V250K a month with a 45% returning customer rate, and majority of new sales come from Meta, IG or FB ads. I really believe I can double this monthly revenue if I get Google ads running well. Okay, yeah, so yeah, definitely you can. But there are a few things which I think need to be the part of your campaign strategy. First of all, if you are mentioning that you are running Google ads, so how are you tracking your ads? Sometimes the customers may arrive late, so you are going to give them no conversion rate. So I think that a better conversion ad tracking is needed to exactly determine your you can even follow Google Analytics GTM tag manager along to get the process done to get your tracking improved, which I may assume that you are doing it, but I'm just telling you to be the safe side, or anyone watching have an idea. Apart from conversion tracking, I think that retargeting campaigns could be good idea. Although you are running Performance Max, but I think that the separate retargeting campaign is definitely works very well and have got very good results. So that also helps you with the meta. Even with the meta customers you are coming, you can easily do retargeting and generate more sales. So a retargeting campaign definitely can help you in generating more sales. So it's a big yes which you are missing right now. And if I look around on the campaign stats, there are few things, observations which I can tell you. Okay, because your ROP is working well, means rest of products are working well. So it's a very good idea to, so let's say, list down 10 or 20 of your best performing products and create search campaigns for them. Okay, so I'm suggesting this. The advantage of PMax is that you can run all of your products together, and then with the search campaign, the idea is to target those products which are working well. So do this strategy. This will help you. Apart from this, there can be few observations which you may be missing. Your peak hour sales. Go with the data into your account and look for your peak data, peak sales. You can even look over here. Just a second. Okay, I'm into my campaigns. Let's say I'm going into one of the campaign. Okay, I'm over in one of the account. So I I need to go into the account. Sorry. So let's say I'm one of the accounts. So there are a few things which I think can help you. First of all, exactly find out your locations when you are working well, which locations are giving you more money. Spend more money on those locations. Look around for your ad schedule to see which timings are working well, which days are working well for you. Spend more on that. So these small observations can help you. Apart from this, device adjustments can also be done for the devices which are working very well for you. So I'm just giving you examples of the optimization points. Also, these insights can help you. Plus, if you can use any ad assets along but they can help you as well. So these are just few of the insights which I think can help you a lot. But the best is going to be the 10 or the 20 products who are performing best kits, where separate search campaigns for them to get the maximum out of it. So yeah, I hope you like my answer. But in case if you want a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, we do offer a separate Google Ads audit service as well. So we offer Google Ads management setup. So we look forward on welcoming all of our customers. So in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. And we are one of the pioneer industries in the companies in a world with the Google partner status. So we are looking forward to work with you. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.